the UNDP Deputy Resident Representative ad interim, Mr. Kevin Petin, is here with us this afternoon to hand over the equipments and the other items to the Honorable Minister.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you may have all known, the Ministry signed a letter of agreement with the UNDP's Governance for Resilience project in August last year to embark on the development of a 10-year Resilience Strategic Development Plan, and the partnership also includes the development of a database management system and the establishment of two risk-informed development government positions, whose roles will include working closely with the 4 divisions to support the implementation of the SDP and delivery of risk-informed projects in communities. And I'm thankful that we have also managed to conduct visitations to the divisions along this area. One of these positions, I'm glad to say, has been filled, and I'm glad that this recruitment could not have come at a much better time as we work on the collation of data from our immediate responses to the 2 recent disasters. Our GIS specialist has been instrumental in the consolidation of data from our teams in the divisions. I also acknowledge the additional support provided by the UNDP, and particularly at a time where the frequency of cyclones have intensified in strength and nature. We are thankful to have partners such as the UNDP's Governance for Resilience project continuously supporting us in our efforts to respond to these disasters in the most efficient way possible. Recently, Fiji was hit by a double tragedy with Category 5 Tropical Cyclone Yasa and Category 2 Tropical Cyclone Ana, each one making landfall in Fiji in a span of less than 2 months. To assist the efforts in coordinating disaster response and recovery in our initial response to TC Yasa, the UNDP team willingly came on board with the funding support of Fijian dollars of 150,000. Ladies and gentlemen, the gathering of key data from damage assessments conducted after every disaster is crucial in mapping out government's post-disaster recovery plan. More importantly, in inculcating resilience in future development for affected communities. And I'm pleased to say that the 50 tablets handed over today will greatly boost our immediate response to future disasters. For the first time ever, IDA and DTA for TC Ana were completed within a span of 2 weeks through the use of these tablets. We were able to assess 1,644 communities from the 4 divisions, 31,590 households with total population assessed of 163,488. Which the current focus of information management is on damage assessments, the gadgets will also assist in collation of information for development programs of the Ministry. The use of tablets in the collation of data from these damage assessments was first introduced during our response for TC Yasa through a partnership with UNOCHA. It has been challenging as we implement new initiatives during operations. However, it was still necessary as the timely collation of information is important during time of emergencies. Going forward, as the Ministry's technological and human resources capability are gradually strengthened, the Ministry is determined to conduct this exercise independently. The Ministry is currently processing other items to fully retrofit this conference room facility that is also used usually during disaster meetings by the National Disaster Council for either virtual or physical briefings. Once again, this is another exciting time for the Ministry as we work towards digitally transforming the way we work to improve efficiency in our service delivery. I would like to once again take this opportunity to thank UNDP and the Governance for Resilience project team for this tremendous support to the ministry, culminating in the handing over that we are having here today. Thank you, and we now will.